Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have a package of paparazzi jewelry. This was sent to me via Heather. Heather has her own paparazzi jewelry group on Facebook and I can invite you into that group. I don't know if I can share it in the description, but if you want to get in or if you're interested at all, just let me know and I'll hook you up with Heather. And Heather, I have known Heather for well over a year. A subscriber friend of mine referred me to her maybe a year or more ago, and that was Stacy Natanoki. She's a longtime subscriber. And Heather has her own stock of paparazzi jewelry, and everything is still $5. It's $5. They have necklaces, they have bracelets, they have earrings, and they have sets. Now the sets are a little more expensive. They have jewelry for men. They have so many things. They have hair pieces too. So I needed a few gold necklaces. I noticed that, over time, things just get old or break or something. So she's always got something going on and I ordered some things from her. So I want to show you how cute. It comes in a pretty pink bag and then inside she has it in a paparazzi bag. And it says thank you, sealed with that. And I got 5 or 6 things, I can't remember. Still $5 a piece. And then she charged me $5 shipping. I'm not sure if it's probably based on how much you buy, how much the shipping is. But it came very, very quickly. So I wanted to show you maybe, all right, I thought I got all gold, but I didn't. All right, this is how, I want to show you really fast. This is how things come. And then I'm gonna take things out of the bag and I'll be back. I think I got 6 things, and then I think because Heather is just a sweetheart, she put me in a bonus. A little cute little bag, I'm pretty sure. So how the necklaces come is they always come with earrings. So this is a gold chain with gold circles and balls on it, and then the earrings are little gold balls. Now you can get earrings that are, that would match this necklace set. You can get a bracelet possibly that match. She has all kinds of things. So if you don't like the little earrings, you can have big earrings to go with this. And then the earrings would be $5. This is $5 and that comes with this, with the small set of earrings. So this, and then most everything has a chain where you can extend it if you want to. I'll show you on the next one because I don't want to break that right this minute. But see how nice? I just needed some things, different lengths of things, some gold things. I have earrings on right now. Actually, these I got from Heather, last year. I think, whenever I got them. I've had several hauls from Heather before. So next I have, this is not gold, but I just thought this was so pretty, especially with fall coming up. These are blue stones. Now let's see, that just caught the light. That's silver. It's like a stamped silver coin. And there's a few of those in there, spaced ever so often. There's some clear crystal beads. And then this comes with this little blue set, of earrings. So this one's a little bit longer. I like this kind of length for my work and church clothing. So there's that one. And next I have this. This is so pretty. This is pearls and gold. I love pearls and gold together. There's a gold, see the pearls, and then a gold stone here, or not, a gold bead here. And then these earrings are like little, they're like, do they call that, not saltwater pearls, what do they call that? Freshwater pearls, because they're misshapen. They're not round pearls. And, well, you can't really see it because of the way, but I like that a lot. So that'll go with lots and lots of things. Oh, my hair, I'm messing up my hair, y'all. That'll go with lots and lots of things. This one I really don't remember picking, but that doesn't mean I did, because when you're looking, there's so many things to like. You can really just go overboard. And I like to go overboard. So this one is, see how much you can extend that if you want to. You can make it quite long. This is a silver chain and then silver circles And I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but oh, it's a little twisted, hang on. It's got little pearls. The pearls are a very, very light baby blue. Can you see the baby blue? Or it looks sort of silvery, but I love that. And then it came with the earrings it comes with match the blue pearls. Now, when I put this on, it's gonna be real long, so you probably won't be able to see. Yeah, it's long, and but this is how it hangs. Isn't that pretty? And then it has those silver hanging pieces there. And next we have this one. I'm trying to lay them down and not get them tangled up. This one is very pretty. This, let's see, the earrings with these, they're like, you know, little faux diamonds. Aren't they pretty? I love this just for the earring set. I mean, you know, beautiful. The way they catch the light, really pretty. And then this necklace. Now this is shorter. I'm not going to take it off the card, but let me try to show you. There's a lobster clasp, and you can adjust this to as far out, you can see, as far out as here. So you can make it longer. And I don't know if I guess I have a big neck because things that are too short, I don't like. I don't care for them. They just bother me. It's me. It's not that, you know, because a lot of people wear little tiny things right here or things that lay right here. And this one I think is gonna, if I didn't extend it, I think it would lay right about here. Very beautiful for so many outfits and a beautiful evening gown or something. And this I'm putting in a giveaway for y'all. So if you'd like to be a part of this giveaway, say diamonds. Did you see? I didn't even think I showed you the whole necklace now. It is, the back of it is gold. And the chain itself, the back of it is all gold. And then it has, it's like a diamond tennis bracelet. Can you see that? And then these pieces that are all hanging are like the necklace. Now, hopefully the cats won't get into these. Look at how, this is all, you know, faux diamonds, of course, but look at how pretty that is. And I know from previous experience that you all like necklaces like this. So I hope that that will be your favorite out of the grouping, because that is the giveaway. And then I'll probably put some other little things with it. I'll find, you know, some little deluxe samples or some sheet masks or something, okay? And then I have two more pieces. This one, again, you know, you can lengthen this. This has the earrings that came with this one are little sort of gold, amberish kind of beads. Okay, Camille, uh-oh, trouble might start. And then this one is nice and long. This is a gold chain, and then here we have some beautiful beads. They're crystal looking, and they're on the gold side, or maybe not quite dark amber, but gold, yeah, like a light amber. And then that bead, and then this gold pieces that hang. So, you know, but it'll be long, because it's quite long. And I have one more, but Camille has sat on it, so let me see if I can get it out from under her. Yes, I can. Good girl, she didn't sit all the way on it. Now look at this one. This one, the earrings that it came with are not just real tiny, they're nice. They're a good size earring. I like these a lot. Now these earrings alone can go with so many things. And then this is the necklace. So they match the necklace, and it's just a nice gold pieces. Okay, Camille, let's show people, and then they can see you, okay? There you go. So that'll hang low, and that'll go with a lot of my work and church clothes. And here's Camille. She loves anything that she can take away from this table. And she may try to get your necklace from you. So here she is. So let me be right back. Hey, good girl. Say hello. Well, I was gonna say the rules. You know, we have rules. First of all, I'll put Heather's information below, and to get into the Facebook group, I think somebody has to put you in there. Either Heather does or I do. So ask me if you want to do that. Again, $5 a piece, and then you'll have to ask her based on what you buy, how much your shipping would be. It was very reasonable. Mine was $5, and maybe it's $5 for everybody. I really don't know. Oh, I have to show you my little bonus item that she sent me as well. So the giveaway is just your usual 18 years or older, a U.S. address, please. You can live anywhere in the world. I just have to be able to mail this to you in the U.S. somewhere. This has nothing to do with YouTube. This is all, I bought this with my money. This has nothing to do with Heather as well. If you get your piece and something happens to it, or it breaks, it gets stolen, it causes an allergic reaction, I'm not responsible for that. Neither is Heather. All of these pieces, Paparazzi Jewelry is nickel free. So I believe that's what causes issues when people have allergies. But you know what you can and can't use, hopefully. And I wear their stuff often and all the time. And I like the longer necklaces, so I break them all the time too, because I get caught on my desk and things like that. And I can repair them to some extent. But when you break something 5 times, you can only go so far. But let me show you that I believe Heather sent this to me as a little gift. And she has it in a sweet little bag. And then inside, it does say my name. And it's in a Ziploc bag. And I'll tell you something, I can see, Heather remembers things. So I told her a long time ago that I love leaves. And I had bought a few pieces, a few things with leaves from her, because I love anything. I love leaves for decor. I love leaves for jewelry. And that's what this is. This is a jewelry piece with leaves. I'll show you real quick. Here are the earrings, little yellow beads. This will be nice for summer and for fall. And then here is the necklace. It's a silver base. Whoops, I'm trying to hold it up and not have Camille get it. These really pretty yellow beads here on one side. I love that kind of thing too, where it's not exact same. And then the beautiful leaf has etching. It's solid metal, and but it's etched like a real leaf. Isn't it beautiful? So that will go with a lot of outfits as well. And that little touch of yellow is so pretty. In fact, it would match this outfit maybe, because I think there's some yellow in this blouse. A little bit of cream. Well, gotta take this off though. But there it is. Thank you so much, Heather. I think I'll send her by video when I'm done too, because I think she has watched them in the past. So this is just a lot of fun for me like I said, they're $5, y'all. So if you are out and about and lose it, break it, like I said, if I break a necklace, I try to repair it. But it's not a big deal. It's not like your, $100 necklace or $500 necklace or something broke and you have to take it to the jeweler to repair. If it broke, and you love it, you might be able to get the same thing again, because they do carry a lot of the same pieces and they're always adding new pieces in. I'm not really sure how they, if they retire pieces, but they have a lot of classic pieces that they always have. So check it out if you're interested in jewelry. It's a great deal, and they're nice pieces, and Heather's a great lady. You'll really like her. She's a really good Christian girl, and she does live shows on Facebook and shows you what she has in stock. She has a ton of stuff in stock. She has a room in her house, or it's a garage, I'm not sure, but she has it fixed up like a store. It's really beautiful. Okay, Camille, she's getting into the jewelry, so I better end. Y'all, this will run, whenever I post this will run for 2 weeks. I will put the date in the description. At the bottom of my description, I have all kinds of stuff in my description. Check it out sometime. At the bottom is the giveaway rules, and I will put the date when this ends. And thanks for stopping by and seeing my paparazzi jewelry. Y'all take care and count your blessings. You want to say goodbye before I put you down again? She likes to just get a hold of everything, y'all. She's getting so big. Bye-bye, y'all.